In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Outlook with Zoho Mail. By the end, you'll have your Outlook address connected inside Zoho Mail so you can send emails from Zoho using your Outlook identity. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to your Zoho Mail account in a web browser and that you have access to your Outlook account. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication or admin approvals, keep those handy as you may be prompted during authorization. Open your browser and go to mail.zoho.com, then sign in. In the top right corner of your mailbox, click the gear icon to open Settings. This is where Zoho keeps all of the account, send, and receive options. In the Settings page, scroll until you find the section labeled Send Mail As. This area controls the addresses you're allowed to send from within Zoho. Under External from Addresses, click the plus icon to add a new address. Zoho will ask which provider you're adding. Choose Outlook so Zoho can use the correct secure connection method. Next, fill in the display name for outgoing emails. This is the name people see in their inbox, so use something clear and professional like your full name or a recognizable team name. Then enter the Outlook email address you want to use. Double check for typos. If the address is mistyped, authentication will fail. You'll also see an optional field for a reply to address. Use this only if you want replies to go to a different mailbox. Otherwise, you can leave it blank and replies will return to your Outlook address as expected. When everything looks good, click Authenticate. A Microsoft sign-in window will appear. Sign in with the same Outlook account you entered, select the correct profile if you have multiple, and approve the permissions Zoho requests. These permissions allow Zoho to send mail on your behalf through Outlook's secure system. They don't give Zoho your password. If your organization requires multi-factor authentication or admin consent, follow those prompts and complete the verification. After successful authentication, you'll be taken back to Zoho Mail and your Outlook address should appear in the External from Addresses list as connected. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page. From now on, when you compose a message in Zoho, use the From drop-down to choose your Outlook address so recipients see the correct sender. You can return to this same settings area anytime to edit the display name, update the reply to, or remove the address. That's it. Your Outlook address is now synced with Zoho Mail for sending. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.